Crockpot Baking. Who knew? All right, this is part of my drive-through kitchen series here. I had no idea that you can put a dry, like butternut squash or potatoes or sweet potatoes, any of your winter squashes like acorn squash or delicata, any of those. You can put them, just rinse them off, put them dry in a crock pot. Put the lid on, turn it on low, and leave it for 8 hours. And at the end of 8 hours, you have baked squash. How easy is that? I don't know about you, but I used to, come close to chopping off fingers when I was trying to deal with butternut squash and trying to chop it and peel it and all that stuff. Ah, what a waste of time. Just throw it in the crock pot, either overnight or during the day while you're working, and you come back, into the kitchen at night, and there is baked squash waiting for you, or baked potatoes, or baked whatever the heck you want, but it's a dry crock pot. And it's, as far as I'm concerned, like instant food. And then when you pull like the butternut squash out, it's totally baked and all the sweetness is baked into it. So you haven't lost any of that in boiling it in water and stuff. And I'll just slice the neck of that just like bread and put the little rounds on my plate. It's delicious. If it's an organic squash, often the skin is thin enough you can just eat the whole thing. Sometimes as the season goes on, the skin gets a little thicker, and yeah, you're not so excited about eating it. But boy, is it yummy. So enjoy Crockpot Baking. And sorry, I almost forgot. If you go to the link near here, near this video, in my resource section, I've got my little recipe card on Crockpot Baking. If you want to get that, go baby go. Have a good day.